Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to check if you have SSD or HDD on your laptop. So basically SSD is solid state drive which is faster than HDD, which means hard disk drive. Now I'll show you how to check if you have HDD or SSD on your laptop. So first of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now to check whether you have SSD or HDD, first of all go to Start. And over here type DEFRAG, defrag, DEFRAG. And over here on top you'll find this defragment and optimize devices. Click on this and over here you'll find this interface. You can see here is media type and here you can find solid state drive. That means my drive C drive is solid state drive. Also, you can see hard disk drive. That means on my D drive, I have hard disk drive. In this way, we can find whether we have SSD or HDD on our laptop. So in my case, I have both SSD and HDD. I have installed my Windows on C, which is the SSD, which makes my laptop faster, and other files and folders are maintained on drive D, which is hard disk drive. So in this way, we can check whether we have SSD or HDD on our laptop. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.